not through the EPBD.
Okay.
Yeah. Having said that, we have, I think, a bigger problem in terms of the quality of the calculation itself. Not on the quality of the system, but on the quality of the calculation. So, what parameters do engineers or designers use when they do the assessment? What selections do they make? What choices do they make? Are they actually using specific data related to the envelope, or are they making just a guess, something like that? And the scope for error, or the error bar related to that, my impression is that it's a lot bigger than the one related to the quality of the methodology itself. So for me, important is we need to really tackle the quality of the people, or the quality of the calculations themselves. The methodology at the moment, I think it's much better than it used to be. We have the tools and the technology to make more of it, or to get more out of it. Definite integration between different eco-design and different directives could be a point to study.
Yes, I agree. The quality of the input data is, especially for the existing building stock, is an issue, but also for systems, and we can have a very good calculation assessment procedure, but if garbage in is garbage out, so it's quite simple to say so. And I don't know how it is in many countries, but in the Netherlands we took a lot of time to describe how to collect the input data. So we have additional to the assessment procedure in the standard guidelines for inspectors, for people who make the energy certificate and assessment guidelines, which is a lot of pages also, how to assess those values. And that is as critical as the assessment method itself. So I agree with that, and that's also part of the quality. But there was more questions.
Yes.
Why?
We do. Guess that's a question for Romania.
Yeah, I think you can initiate.
Yeah. Well, I'm not sure if I can answer, but I can just explain the background of this question, which is not for myself, but still I'm happy with the question, because recently the Joint Research Center from the European Commission has developed a set of climatic data, hourly data, synthetically, for covering, I think, whole of Europe. I have not much experience with it yet, but at this moment we are trying within the service contract, which was mentioned before for the EPB, we are trying to make a link between the format of these climatic data to the input you need for the standard which we developed to convert the climatic data, for instance, solar radiation on different orientations and tilt angles. And when we've done that, we can also publicize this JRC database more widely than that we can do now.
I just can complete, because for the hydrogen project, we test the different methods European-wide. So we tested, for example, we have it for Helsinki, for Bratislava, and for Palermo, and we use this databases. And it's a pity that it is not well known, because the European Commission did a good work. Because when we spoke with the member states, it cost a lot of money to develop this hourly data with radiation, with things like this, and everything has been done already in the Joint Research Center. So it is really valuable to have a look on that.
So is this reliable data? Official data?
it's a public data. But we checked it, for example, for France, and there are small differences what we had in the national method, and there were small things to adapt because, for example, the last 2 hours there were a mistake or things like this. So I think you have to look at it, but I mean 90% of the work is already done.
Yes, in general, that's the case that the data is there, but we have to see if we can really check it, that it is really consistent with the standards. Yes, this is the on-site and off-site story. I think, could you answer the question?
I can try. I have to say this is not my topic. I mainly work on energy performance certificates and inspections. The issue of standard is done. My colleague Dimitris Athanasiou, he takes care of the issues in standards. But as far as I know, the nearby definition applied to nearly zero energy buildings. So the renewable energy sources had to be on building on-site or nearby. In my presentations, when we talk about on-site or off-site, it makes reference mainly to primary energy factors applicable to that area, region, local, or neighborhood, even if necessary. So it's really about the calculation of the primary energy factor. The nearby on the recast PPD from 2010 made reference only to nearly zero energy buildings. Excuse me.
Thank you. Is there a last question? Well, that's more perhaps also a question for about the primary energy factor. The total, the non-renewable, or the net. That's always a confusion for a lot of people, as you know.
I'm also confused. I can pass the question to Dimitris and I'll send you an answer.
Okay, yeah. Because I agree, it depends also on the definition of those terms.
I don't want to answer because I might get it wrong, but I'll pass the question to Dimitris to clarify this.
Okay, thank you.
Let me just write it down, please.
Yes. Thank you very much. If there is no questions anymore, I will release you from being here. And I thank you very much for your patience. I'm very sorry that we couldn't keep our time schedule. It's a fact of life. So, and I want to thank all the presenters for their hard work and very interesting presentation.